Hello, I'm comes from China and I'm a student from Guangdong High School. My name is Yiqing Zhang, and my topic is air quality because there are three things I wanted to share with before I talk about that. First thing is about this global temperature because in the period of 1880 to 2003, the global temperature has increased about 0.07 degree. However, in the 2003 to the 2012, the global temperature has increased about 0.76 degree. And second thing I want to talk about is the transportation way. Because in the period, China is an example. In 2010, there are about 96 million personal car exist in China. However, 5 years later, in the end of 2015, there are about 176 million cars inside China exist. So which means that more and more cars now in nowadays. And third thing I'm going to talk about is the greenhouse gases. Because lately, according to the main humans scientists learning about the greenhouse gases, we know that the greenhouse gases has increased about 77%. And inside this 77%, there are about 70% are carbon dioxide. So according to the three messages we got, actually we know that the carbon dioxide is the main character who causes the global warming, which is the most serious issue that we have to face in our days. And we have to find a way to deal with carbon dioxide because we need to improve our environment, right? And to talk about the carbon dioxide, according to the chemistry, in learning of chemistry, we know that it has a very strong bond inside the carbon dioxide, which means it is not easy to break the bond inside carbon dioxide or transfer the carbon dioxide to other form. So, which means we need to find other effective way to deal with carbon dioxide to transfer it from unbeneficial to beneficial to the environment. There is a technology named the cold optical fiber photoreactor for the photocatalytic reduction of the carbon dioxide by the titan oxide, which means we can use the technology with the titan oxide to deal with the carbon dioxide. And because the theory of the technology is that to use the photocatalytic force of the titan oxide to transfer the carbon dioxide to other form. However, there is a limitation about that. It is because if we want to use the technology, we need to the ultraviolet rays from sunshine. However, there's about only 7% inside the sun has the kind of UV rays, which is the ultraviolet rays we call it. So how to use the technology effectively? Because we don't have enough energy, right? We don't have enough UV rays to do the reactant. So this is what I'm supposed to learn about that. Because my learning result is that we can use a new medium to do the reactant. Because according to the physics study, we know that the wavelength is equal to the wave speed over the frequency, which means the medium which has a higher frequency has a lower wavelength, which means we can transfer the visible light into the UV rays, because there are about 50%, half of the sunshine, it belongs to the visible light, but we need the UV rays, right? So which means we can transfer the sunshine visible light into the UV rays that we need. So we have enough UV rays to do that. And so we need a medium, the special medium which has a very strong video, a very strong frequency to do that way. And that is my study. Thanks.